What does the world need? Innovation, optimizing the world around us and immersing ourselves in new systems and technologies, building on what's in the world and refining it in every way we can. Rethinking, changing how we do things and how we look at things. Whether that's changing business models or completely shifting perspectives, the world needs new ideas. Preservation of experiences, feelings, and places we want to share with one another. Through careful curation or using new practices with out-of-the-box thinking or innovative technology, there's a need to ensure future generations can enjoy the world. New energy. By doing things like utilizing renewables and bringing a creative spark, a new vibrancy, we can challenge the way things are done because there might be a better way to do it. And there's one more thing that the world needs. You. Someone who takes a practical approach toward the future, who can get hands-on with driving change and wants to get as much out of their education as they put into it. That's why the world needs you at SAIT. Find out more at sait.ca.